Hi everyone, Carl here from Outdoor Vancouver, and today we're exploring Pacific Spirit Regional Park near the University of British Columbia in Vancouver. Pacific Spirit Park offers a huge network of over 70 kilometers of hiking trails in a beautiful forest that is over 750 hectares, including 7 kilometers of shoreline trail on the Georgia Strait. The park is a paradise for hikers, runners, and anyone wanting a dose of nature in the city of Vancouver. The park is a great place to explore any time of year and in all weather conditions. It's a great place for families and dog owners. Dogs are allowed on most trails in the park, and there are even some off-leash trails. There are almost an endless possibility of different trail combinations you can take within Pacific Spirit Park. The route we're taking today is a large and scenic loop that covers about 7 kilometers and takes roughly 2 hours to complete. The main trails on our route today are the Top Trail, the Nature Trail, the Salish Trail, the Clinton Trail, and the Sassamat Trail. Follow the exact route we're taking today. You can check out the guide on our website. We'll put a link to that in the description of this video down below. Make sure you subscribe to be notified about our latest trail videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.